It's midnight right now, so I'm gonna go ahead and record this. It started raining like 10-15 minutes ago down here, and it smells so bad. Like, it smells like a garbage truck fully loaded with old Taco Bell slammed into a fish plant. It's like somebody squeezed salt out of somebody else's asshole. It's horrible. Horrible. Rainy, dreary, chilly, but it doesn't stink anymore, so that's a good thing. We are headed south today. Might end up in Georgia, might not, I don't know. Just depends on how I feel. Regardless, it's gonna be a good day. Just drove 69 miles to go to Walmart, but this Walmart is nice.
Welcome to Jurassic Park.
Hunting Island, South Carolina. It's sunny now, and blue, and Jesus Christ.
Dad, I gotta go back home.
Hidden Beach, Hunting Island, 8 out of 10 stars. Only because me and her are the only human beings here. Pretty awesome. What do you think of it?
Because it's a beautiful place. I mean, look at the clouds. You know, the trees. And the one, because, yeah, like you said, there's going on. So sad. But I mean, overall, it's good. I really like it.
Now we got a 2-hour drive home. Oh, back to the resort.
Well, next year's spring break, I think we already figured out what we're going to do. We're going to New York, so Casey and I stat for licenses. We're going to be there, alright? Alright.
Now we gotta go find out how to get back to the car.
You just got jumped on. I'm 4 something. You're like 6'6".
I didn't jump. Man, it's windy out too. Good Lord, it's windy. Totally pulling our tourism card today.
4? Let's see. I got to check because yesterday some guy that gave me 4 bills and one of them was a 5. Yeah, we got a bunch of stuff to look at. As you go up the stairs, these pedestals are on each landing.
Okay.
There are 19 steps up to each landing and 9 landings, and each one has an information pedestal on it. And read all that stuff, and it'll give you exactly what you need to know. 167.
So many steps. Oh, that's so many steps. And here we go.
Be careful, Dad.
Yeah, a little bit.
Really, one day.
At least you could say we climbed the lighthouse tower, right? That's tiring. Could be the top of it.
It's a really competition.
Okay, so I tried to record a second ago because I'm too cheap to buy a mic.
Word.
I've spent like all of our money on you. Man, it's cold. But
We're in the car now, and I'm warm.
7:15, and we're just gonna go back to the room and chill out for the rest of the night.